just left the hotel. Going to explore the city. Looking how cute and shit. Looking how cute and stuff. Yeah. It's my fit. So I'm looking for somewhere to take a picture. I saw this very cute bridge yesterday, so I'm gonna go there, take a picture. I'm looking for somewhere to sit and have lunch and coffee. So I'm still looking for a cute restaurant that we can find, and then we're gonna have coffee. It's so beautiful here. I think it's worth a trip for anybody, literally. I don't know. Let me see. I mean, oh, it's just 9 minutes. I'm going to eat lunch now. My face, I just lost it. Yes, can I please have a cappuccino?
Sir?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
Yes.
Sí. Adult water?
Pardon?
Water?
No, no. Good. Oh my god. I don't even know what to eat. Can I see that? It's fish. I'm not eating this. This looks weird and scary. This looks scary. I'm not eating this scary looking stuff. Never, hasn't. This looks scary as well. Oh, macaroni, tuna, and peppers. I think I'd love that.
Where is it?
Yeah. Macaroni, tuna, and peppers.
Cappuccino?
Thank you.
Yes. Cappuccino, thank you. Maybe like sugar.
Can I ask? The lasagna.
Come in my colleague. Okay.
Oh, okay. Let me show you. But the lasagna tastes amazing, yo. The cheese meringue though. I got these for $15 at Mr. Price. Thank you. You're not leaving anything, actually.
Ciao, grazie, ciao.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Grazie, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Going on the boat.
Fatih.
Look at that.
Akim.
Halkim.
Lekon.
Are you from?
Lekon.
Where are you from? Turkey. Oh, that's nice. Guys, look, my friends, you are
Fatih.
Fatih
Akim.
and Kim. House. We just passed House of Makapalo.
Nice.
This is the House of Casanova, guys. We just passed it. Whose house is this? Who? Braiva. So we just got back from our ride and we're about to get off. We're getting off now. Grazie, signor. Can I go first? Can I go first? We came to this really cute cafe. We're going to have pizza, thin pizza and coffee and malopeboitumelo. I just realized that they put the ice cream in like a mini cooler bag. How cool is this? So that it does not melt. So anyway, good night. Talk in the morning. Morning guys, so we just woke up now and we are getting ready to leave Venice and going to France. So this is the end of my Venice vlog. I really hope you enjoy watching this, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to comment down below, and also to hit the notification bell just to get notified every single time I post a video. Okay, so bye guys.